Hey there, Fit Fam. So did you pack on some pounds during the quarantine? Have you been emotionally eating and avoiding exercise? Well, I've got a step-by-step plan to help you bounce back from those quarantine pounds and to get you into your best body ever. And I'll share these over the next 7 days so you don't get all hit at once. So here's step one. Program your mind. Yes, you've got to get your mind right. Your mind is the number one ally when it comes to achieving your goals. However, until your mind has been programmed for success, it will do more to derail your efforts than it will to actually help you. So take a few moments each day to visualize yourself at your ideal weight. Imagine or remember how it feels or felt to look the way you've always wanted or the way you used to. Protect your mind from any negative self-talk. If a negative thought comes to mind, immediately reject it. If you want to be toned and healthy and fit, and then you start thinking of yourself as out of shape and fat, that's going to take you the wrong way. So reprogram your mind to think of yourself as fit and attractive, and then you will be well on your way towards achieving your goal. Now, don't get me wrong, it is going to take work. You can't just sit and think about it. But start by giving up the belief that you can't achieve the body you've always dreamed of. See it first in your mind, then get up and go after it. And before long, you'll see the new you in the mirror. As you probably know, I am passionate about seeing you achieve results. So don't waste your time and energy and effort on mistakes. When you start a program with me, you've got the upper hand on reaching your optimum health and your sexy look. I'll be in your corner, coaching you each step of the way, keeping you accountable to your workouts and giving you that dose of encouragement when you need it the most. So get serious about your results and begin the last weight management program that you'll ever do. Call or email me today to get started. Train well, be intentional, and have faith. See you soon.